Today we are exploring an abandoned train tunnel. I don't know much of the history of this place. I do know it was kind of scary walking in there, but kind of cool. Also, if you look on the walls, you will see a lot of graffiti. Also, if you look up, you will see the blue emergency lights, which have been disabled and are destroyed. Also, you will see a couple birds' nests on top of the lights, which is very interesting. And for some reason, the tunnel was blocked off at the other end.